Hey guys, Extreme Tutorials Pro here, and today I'm going to be showing you a simple trick that I learned a few years ago from a professional hacker known as Anonymous on how to hack any website on the internet using just command prompt. So the first step to this, of course, is to get your target. Now I've gotten Crucible Industries. This will work on small companies, but it won't really work very well on large companies, and we'll get to that in a future video. For now, you want to select a target that has a net worth of under $1 million. Now the next step is simple. Go into command prompt, you write this very special command. Not many people know about this. ipconfig /all. Alright. So now you get, this is all of the people connected to my internet tube. Because remember, the internet is just a series of tubes. So I'll show a diagram here. So imagine this is our tube here. The Extreme Tutorials Pro tube. Now by connecting to Crucible Industries website, I've actually connected to their tube. So that's their tube, and I actually know the IP address of their tube. So now up here, wireless LAN adapter, I'm connected to Wi-Fi, so that means that this is their tube, this is their IP address. Okay, so the next command is very simple. Simply write ping 192.168.43.224 to connect. This is sending a ping request to their internet tube. Okay, so what is a ping request? You're asking me. You're asking Extreme Tutorials Pro, what the hell is a ping request? Alright, so ping request stands for Protocol in Interface Neutralize Gun. So what this is actually doing is this is actually sending a request to whatever tube you're sending it to, and it's saying neutralize. So this is actually a protocol which neutralizes any website connected to your tube. Okay. So you press enter. Okay, and you can actually see that the TTL is 128. That means that it's sending a reply saying that it's been killed. And I can show you this. Alright, there you go. So this has been a tutorial by Extreme Tutorials Pro. If you like this video, please leave a like, leave a comment for any future suggestions. Yeah, see you later.